Hi, and welcome to another section of our trading series on how to fast firm trading challenge with instant funding using the BluFX, TraderCentra, Fivers, and my first fund. So in this video, we're going to continue with our trading series and with BluFX and TraderCentra. So far, let's see how we've gone. So without further ado, let's jump right into a chart. Alright guys, here is it on TC Bridge, TraderCentra, and as of today, from our last update we made, we're about 2107, and now you can see we have made a little profit. Basically, my last trade, my trade that was held over the weekend closed in a loss due to the high margin between the ask and bid price of the broker as at the time market was opening. So I lost about $7, and then I picked up another trade from this point, and I closed it here. So I was anticipating another one. I had anticipated price was going to come down from here, but due to some hype and news, the election, Italy election and something like that, I know, kind of influenced the euro, maybe negatively initially, or there was a spike, so the market kind of moved a bit upward. So I lost this trade, and the other trade, which I set at this point, got picked. Thank God I had a distant margin on my stop loss. That's why it's advisable to use some a wide margin stop loss for events like this. So I was able to close in some profit. So that's the update so far. I'm looking forward to making a withdrawal on the 28th. Let's see how things pans out. I hope I'll be able to stay profitable without losing it. So that's it so far on the TC Bridge. Now moving on, we'll check on BluFX to see how far we've gone. Okay, just a quick update. We've also made some progress on the BluFX trading, and as you can see from this point, we are now on $26,000. This is a live account, $26,121. And remember, I told you that my next trade, if it closes in profit, it will be possible for me to hit the minimum target for withdrawal on BluFX. But unfortunately, the trade ended in a loss, and as such I lost $51. This was a trade I was expecting the price to move up from this point. So that same news affected it, and it went way below my stop before actually moving on. So I lost that trade. And then at this point, you can see I then took another trade, and this time around it was in the morning using Euro USD as against the Euro CHF, because the setup was more suitable for me. So I took a short trade here this morning, and I closed in not quite long ago at this point. So because of that, I was able to recoup my losses and make some profit in addition. So now I am above the initial $25,990 plus. Now I'm on 26,121. So hopefully I would be able to close this my current trade in profit. If I do, I should basically be in profit and hit my minimum target. So that's it on this update. In order to benefit from my trading, either copying my live trade or if to use for your own confluence, be sure to follow me on my Telegram channel, where I drop all my live trades. There you stand a chance to see my trade as I trade live. you also would stand to benefit the have the opportunity to copy my trade and make profit alongside with me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel wherever you're watching from. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing you in my next